Chicago, Colorado. We're Nikki and Janie Ryder, your missionaries in Chihuahua, Mexico. We're excited that you're coming back down again to work with us in June. Excited for all the people who are coming down for the very first time, as well as grateful to those who are returning to work with us on this project at Nueva Vida in Chihuahua.
We're excited to work with Pastor Humberto Gonzalez here at Nueva Vida. We will be doing some sheetrock, some drywall, some steel studs, and we'll also probably be doing some concrete as well. We will be doing also some street evangelism possibly in children's ministry. To my left, there is a park here that the children play in. It has all kinds of swings and slides and different things like that as well. This church is located on a major avenue here in the city, Nogales, and there's a lot of traffic that passes by. The sign on the other end of the church advertises the church quite well. It's a growing church, and we're thankful to God for Him allowing you to come and to help us to cooperate with this pastor to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ in the city of Chihuahua. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.